is that we anchor.
It was the second session of the Aspiring Assistant Principals Academy, a program designed to develop and support the next generation of school leaders. Participants engaged in hands-on training, leadership workshops, and real-world problem-solving experiences.
Right now we're going over the accountability, and for me personally, I think that is one area that all educators should be more aware of so that way we can continue to have that student success.
The main topics of the session were communication skills and the PSJA customer service standards. As an assistant principal, their job is to keep schools organized, safe, and focused on learning, while supporting staff, students, and families.
It is a rigorous study. Remember, these are full-time employees that are taking on this added work. Weekly, we're sending them activities and homework, and we're building on what they've learned.
Applicants included teachers, curriculum coordinators, collaborative learning leaders, and counselors, reflecting the diverse expertise PSJA values in its future leaders.
As we are going through this cohort, we're giving the opportunity to continue to grow in our education journey, which is an amazing opportunity for us as future leaders. We are learning only from the best here at PSJA.
Once the program is completed, participants will be added to PSJA's Assistant Principal Candidate Pool, positioning them as top contenders for future assistant principal roles.
There is so much significance here because we're building leaders amongst us. This is a pipeline that we're creating for future assistant principals, future leaders that are going to continue the tradition of PSJA.
Assistant principals serve as instructional leaders, mentoring teachers, and helping students stay on track for graduation, continuing PSJA's mission of academic excellence.
How would you respond in the moment to de-escalate the situation?